If you're looking for muzzle for medium-sized dog, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Downtown Pet Supply. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, by FOMATE. Number 3, by Idepet. Get your favorite muzzle for medium-sized dog now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4, by Ewinever. Number 5, by the Company of Animals. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.